Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling W-2s and identity materials now. Don't delay. Once you have each W-2, verify names, SSN, and wage boxes against pay stubs to avoid mismatches. Next, pick a filing route, commercial tax software, a tax pro, or IRS-free file, and create or log into your account so your data saves as you go. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication on your account and have your bank routing number ready for direct deposit. Now enter each W-2 line by line. Accuracy here changes your tax due. As you type wages and federal/state withholding from Box 1 and Box 2, the software calculates taxable income automatically, which is why precise entry is critical. Then add pre-tax deductions like 401, K, and HSA contributions, and any above-the-line adjustments such as student loan interest to reduce AGI. Once done, review prompts for other income sources so nothing is omitted. Finish by running the final review. The software flags missing SSNs, unclaimed dependents, or suspicious refund amounts, so correct those before you file. When ready, choose direct deposit for refund or authorize an electronic payment for any balance. E-file and opt for instant confirmation to shorten the wait. After you receive IRS acknowledgement, save PDF copies of your return and all supporting W-2. If your return is rejected, check the error code, fix the specific field, and resubmit immediately. Most rejections are simple mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.